This guide will help you remove a device from your Kajabi account in a few simple steps. Follow the instructions below to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Visit the Kajabi website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard under your profile icon. Step 3. Access Device Management. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Device Management or Security. Click on this option to view all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. In the Device Management section, you will see a list of all devices associated with your account. Identify the device you wish to remove and click on it for more options. Step 5. Confirm device removal. After selecting the device, look for a button or link that says Remove or Disconnect. Click on it and confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, the device will no longer have access to your Kajabi account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Kajabi support for help.